Candy, candy. It means sugar and other things boiled with water and made into pieces. Sugar and other things boiled with water and made into pieces. In Burmese, it means the jalo, the jalo. In Karen, it means da circula, da surplupu, da circula, da surplupu. For example, we can say like this. Nini wants a piece of candy. Nini wants a piece of candy. Nini the jalong sa chun di. Nini edo owe da surplupu de plulo. Cannot, cannot. It means not able to, not able to. In Burmese, it means matanai, maswanai, matanai, maswanai. In Karen, it means the they, the knee, the they, the knee. For example, we can say like this. She cannot hear because she is deaf. She cannot hear because she is deaf. သူမမကြားပါအဘဲကြောင့်ဆိုတော့သူသည်နာမကြားသူတစ်ယောက်ဖြစ်သည်ပုံမူဖိုးတကားနာဟုတာတသေးမေလအနာတအဟိုးလော Camp camp it means a group of tents or cabins for outdoor living a group of tents or cabins for outdoor living in Burmese it means sakan sakan in Karen it means dego da ugatulo Degawo da ugatulo. For example, we can say like this. Sultan is going to a boys' camp. Sultan is going to a boys' camp. Sultan di yaujali mya sakan chaya niya tu twa di. Sultan lewe da su po kwa po adegawo lo. Can. It means to be able to. To be able to. In Burmese, it means that the low 90 that the low 90 in Karen it means they were for example we can say like this Momo can make a good cake Momo can make a good cake Momo di cây mực con phau tra di Momo bơ ko so di le a wi de lu ti lo